So foremost, what I would do is I would start off by considering limit x tending to 1 integral 4 to f of x 2t over x negative 1 dt. Now this can be rewritten as limit x tending to 1. Now the integration is with reference to the variable t, but we got x minus negative 1. So what I would do, I will rewrite this as integral 4 to f of t 2t dt over x negative 1. Now I will apply L'Hopital rule. That would mean I will have to differentiate the numerator and differentiate the denominator. So this is going to be limit x tending to 1. Differentiation of the numerator is going to be 2 times f of, now this is actually x, okay, it's not t, it's x. So 2 times f of x times the differentiation of f of x, that's going to be f dash of x, divided by differentiation of x gives me 1. So this is equal to 2 times f of x times f dash of x. Okay, now we are given f of 1 is equal to 4. So this is within the limits. We will have to apply limit x tending to 1 there. So this is equal to limit x tending to 1 2 times of, okay, let me write it like this, f of x times f dash of x. Now applying limits we get, so what do you get? F of 1 is 4, so 2 times of 4 times f dash of x is equal to 1, so f of 1. So this is going to be 2 times 4 is 8, f dash of 1. So this is what you've got. So go back and see which of these choices is the right choice. Is it A? No. Is it B? Yes, it is indeed.